Hello students, welcome back to online class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to discuss about some practical portion of chapter 3rd. So your first practical is create a new folder. So in your computer system, how can you create a new folder? So let's see how can you create a new folder. Suppose if you want to create a new folder in your hard disk. So how can you do? Suppose I want to create a new folder in a F drive. Okay. So let's see how can we do. Here you can see the option new folder. Okay. So click on the new folder option. A new folder will be created. Give a name to it. Suppose I am giving the name hardware. Okay, and press enter key. Okay, so your folder has created. Okay, now another method to create a new folder. So right click at the location where you want to create a new folder. Suppose I want to create a new folder once again here. So right click by the mouse, choose new option. Okay, and click on folder option. Okay, so a new folder will be created. Give a name. Suppose I am giving the name software and press enter key. Okay, so like that you can create a new folder. Now your next thing is files and folder. So what is files and folder? So just recently we have created two folders, hardware and software. In this folder you can store your file. Got it? Means in a folder we can store our files. And we can create a folder within a folder. This is called subfolder. Okay. Suppose in hardware folder I am creating a new folder here. Suppose keyboard. Okay. So keyboard is a subfolder of hardware. Okay, keyboard is called a subfolder of hardware. Got it? So see, keyboard is called the subfolder of hardware. So a file is a document that stores collection of related information. Got it? And a folder can contain many files. A folder can be created inside a folder. Such folders are known as subfolders. Got it? So this is called files and folder. Now next, opening a files and a folder. So how can you open the files and a folder? It's very simple. Just double click by the mouse. So like that you can open your files and folder. Another way, right click on that files or a folder and choose open option. Okay, got it? Like that also you can open the files or a folder. Got it? Very good. So to open a file, move the mouse pointer to the required files. So suppose I want to open this software folder, okay, and double click on it. So your folder will be open. Now next thing, copying a files or a folder. How can you copy a files or a folder? So let's see. So suppose I want to copy a software folder into a hardware. So how can I copy? So select the files or a folder that you want to copy by clicking on it. Okay, so I want to copy the software folder. Select the copy option by the clicking copy option. Okay, so here you can see in a home tab copy option is there. So click on that copy option. Okay, and select the folder or place where you want to put the files or a folder. So suppose I want to copy software folder into hardware. So open the hardware folder and select the paste option here. See, here is the paste option by clicking on that. So click on paste option. See, the software folder copied. Okay, got it? So like that you can copy the files or a folder. So what is the shortcut key of copy command? Control plus C. And what is the shortcut of paste command? Control plus V. Like that also you can copy and paste the file. Got it? Now cut a files or a folder. Your next practical is cut a file or a folder. Suppose I want to cut a file. So here I want to cut the keyboard folder outside. So how can I cut? So select the files or folder that you want to shift by clicking on it. So click on keyboard option and select the cut option by the clicking on that. So where is the cut option? See the home tab, cut option is here, and shortcut key is Control plus X. So click on that and select the folder or place where you want to paste the file or a folder. So suppose I want to paste this keyboard folder outside. Select the paste option by clicking on that. Okay, so click on that paste option. See, the file or a folder will be shifted. So in the hardware it shifted outside, shifted from its earlier place to the desired location. Okay, so we have cut keyboard folder from hardware. Got it? So like that we can cut a files or a folder. Now next practical is moving a files or a folder. So how can you move? Like that. Click and drag the files to the desired location. Suppose I want to move the keyboard folder into hardware again. So click and drag the file to the desired location. So click by the mouse and don't release it. So take to the mouse on a desired location and release the mouse. Release the mouse. Okay, so I am releasing the mouse. The file will appear in the new location. So I am releasing the mouse. So where is the keyboard folder? See here. So like that you can move your files and folder. Now next, deleting a files and folder. So how can you delete a file or a folder? So let's see. Suppose I want to delete a software folder. Okay. So right click by the mouse on that software folder. Choose delete option. Okay. So your file will be deleted. Got it? Got it? So like that you can delete a files or a folder. So after deleting, where the file will be stored? So your next topic is restoring a deleting files or a folder. So after deleting the files and or a folders goes to recycle bin. Got it? So suppose your next practical is restoring or deleting files or a folder. So suppose I am deleting one file from here. Suppose I am deleting hardware. So right click on that hardware and choose delete option. Where it will go? In the recycle bin. So minimize it and open the recycle bin. Recycle bin is called the dustbin of the computer. Whatever you will delete from the computer, it will stored in a recycle bin. So double click on that recycle bin. Okay, see where is the hardware folder? See, here is the hardware folder. How can you restore it? So firstly we have opened the recycle bin and right click on the files and a folder and select the restore option. So right click on that folder and choose a restore option. Choose restore option. Okay, got it? So see, the hardware folder again. So like that we can restore our files and a folder from the recycle bin. Got it? So today we have discussed some practicals of chapter 3rd. We will discuss about next chapter in the next class. Thank you.